Hello my dear lovely students. Welcome all of you to English class. Dear students, look at the picture. You see the picture. Okay? What do you see in this picture? We see the picture of road accident. This is the picture of road accident. The question is, why do road accident happen? Road accidents happen due to careless. Okay? What can we do to avoid a road accident? You guess it. You guess it. What can we do to avoid a road accident? Definitely, to avoid road accident, we should never be unmindful while crossing the road, and we should obey the rules of the road. We should obey the rules of the road. Here the question comes that, do you know any rules of the road, or you have the idea about the rules of the road? Yes, we know some of the rules of the road. So let's read a poem. The name is Accident. The title of the poem is Accident. Okay? At first, I will recite this poem. You listen carefully. First, I will recite the poem. You listen carefully and mindfully. Okay? This is the poem. He walked up the street with his head in the air. He didn't see the car. He didn't take care. He didn't look left. He didn't look right. He started to run. Then he heard his friend cry, "Accident, accident. Don't have an accident." Stanza 2. Stop, look and listen. Stop, take care. Stay where you are. When a car is there, walk, don't run. When the road is clear, look where you are going. You don't want to hear accident, accident. Don't have an accident. This was the poem. Now, the biggest challenge for human society in everyday life is a road mishap or a road accident. Road mishap means accident. Accident will happen if you are little careless while on the road. We know from the newspaper how people are losing their lives and facing the death. How people are losing their life and facing the death every day due to the accident. Every day people losing their lives and facing the death only due to the accident, main reason. It is only due to the unmindful attention and disobeying the rules of the road. The main cause of accident is disobeying the rules of the road and unmindful attention. Here, the poet showed us through this poem how road accident happen and what we can do to avoid the road accident. In this poem, there are two stanzas are there. Two stanzas. In the first stanza, the summary of the first stanza is, there are two children. There are two children in the first stanza, and both the two children are very good friends. They are very good friends. Two children and they are two friends. Here the poet describes that one of them walked up the street. One of them walked up the street. While he was walking up the street, his head was in the air. That means he was unmindful. Here the phrase head was in the air, it means he unmindful unmindful. That means he was unmindful. Head was in the air, that means unmindful. At that time, he didn't see a car was coming. A car was coming. He also didn't take care himself. Even he looked neither left nor right. Suddenly, he started to run. But at that time, he heard his friends crying and shouting. Who was watching him? His friend shouted that he was going to have an accident. This warning helped the child to be safe. He was advised not to have an accident. This is the first stanza, summary of the first stanza, the theme of the first stanza. Now we have to proceed towards the second stanza. You listen, I am explaining line by line. In the second stanza, the poet gives us advice what we do to avoid the road accident. What we do to avoid the road accident. That means we have to take the precaution. First, he says, stop, look and listen. You remember three words. In second stanza, he says, stop, look and listen. That means while crossing the road, before crossing the road, first you stop and look the both side, left side and right side, and listen any sound. It means you should stop to look and listen and be careful. If you see a car coming, you must stay there where you are. This is the meaning of the sentence, where you are. The poet also says, when you find the road free from the traffic, then you should walk but don't run. You walk but don't run. The poet discourages for the running. Then you should look at the place where you are going. If you don't care to hear, if a car is coming, you will certainly have an accident. The poet's advice, you should avoid having accident on the road. Okay, here the poem is finished and I hope you must have understood the poem very well. So, I want to ask some questions and you listen carefully and reply it. The first question is, how did the child walk up the street? Again you listen the questions. How did the child walk up the street? The answer is, the child walked up the street inattentively. The child walked up the street inattentively or unmindfully, also correct. Okay. Then question number 2. What didn't the child look? What didn't the child look? Very simple question, very easy question. The answer is, the child didn't look left and right. Left and right. The last question, question number 3. It is important question. When should we cross the road? When should we cross the road? The answer is, we should cross the road when it is clear. We should cross the road when it is clear. It is clear means when the road is clear. In that time, we have to cross the road. Thank you.